Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our day 2 of Read Write Inc. for this week. Today we are going to be doing our Fred finger spelling, so you'll need your jotter and a pencil so you can join in. Before we get started, can anyone remember what our sound is that we have been learning this week? That's right, ow, ow. What two letters make up the ow sound? That's right, it's O and A. 2 letters, 1 sound. Special friends. Okay, Miss Brown has got 3 words with the ow sound in them. I wonder if we can spell these correctly. Are you ready? How many Fred fingers does the word out have? Out. How many Fred fingers does out have? 1, 2, 3, show me your fingers. 2 Fred fingers. Let's pinch the sounds. Out, out. Your turn. Out, out. 2 Fred fingers. Let's write it down. On you go. Okay, first sign, boys and girls. Out. Ow. How do we write the ow sound? That's right. O and A. Remember to underline our special friend. Out. T, 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 t. And T. Down the tower, across the tower. Let's check to see if we've got it right. Out. Out. Your turn. Out. Out. Let's take our fix. Superb. Okay, moving on to our next word. Are you ready? Our next word is shout. How many Fred fingers does the word shout have? Thinking time. 1, 2, 3, show me your fingers. 3 Fred fingers. Let's pinch those sounds. Sh, out, shout. 3 Fred fingers. Can you pinch the sounds? Shout, shout. On we go. Let's write it down. What makes up the sh and the ow special friend sound? Okay, our first sign, boys and girls. Shh. What 2 letters make up the sh sound? That's right. S and h. Shh. Our second sound is ow. Ow, made up of what 2 letters? O and A. Another special friend. And our final sound is t, t, t. Down the tower, across the tower. Let's check to see if we've got it right. Sh, out, shout. Your turn. Shout, shout. Tick or fix. Now, boys and girls, if you've spelled it incorrectly, just remember to write it correctly underneath. We don't have to rub out in our Read Write Inc. Okay, our last word for today is mouth. Mouth. How many Fred fingers does the word mouth have? Thinking time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, show me your fingers. 3 Fred fingers again. Let's see if we can pinch the sounds. Ow. 2 special friends. Mouth. Your turn. Mouth. Mouth. Write it down. What makes up the sound? Okay, first sound is Maisie, mountain, mountain. Ow, ow. Oh, and ah. And our final sound, see that tongue for that one. And it's T and H. Special friends. Let's check to see if we've got it right. Ow. Mouth. Your turn. Mouth. Mouth. Tick or fix. Well done, boys and girls. We have been able to write 3 of our ow words correctly. Give yourself some snaps. Well done. Now, what I'd like you to do now is go on to read your Read, Write, Ink book. Get practice on those red tricky words, those story green words, and your speedy sounds as well. Miss Brown will see you tomorrow for day 3 of Read, Write, Ink. Well done, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.